There are many ways to isolate a selection in ZBrush. The first is to enter solo mode by enabling this button here and then clicking on the various selections, the subtools. The next is to press N while that's on. If you don't fancy going over to the list, press N and just choose your subtool there. An alternative is to create a shortcut key for this by holding down Control Alt and clicking on it. You can see up here it's asking me to press any key combination. It says it up here. Press any key combination. So if we press K, for example, that has now been enabled. I can now press K and that will enter solo mode. If I Alt and click on another object and press K, I've entered solo mode. One other alternative is in the Preferences Edit menu. You can allow click to solo. This is by default is turned off. If you do turn it on, you'll have to go to your config and store config. What this does now is allows me to just tap anywhere in the canvas and it will isolate whatever object I'm currently on. So Alt and click on the object and tap once anywhere, tap once again to bring everything back. This is a really handy function, but at times if you're not used to it, it can be annoying to see things disappear. Hope this helps. Bye.